really.
That was just the last thing I expected.
Wait, the guy that killed Connor's in front of me. Yeah, he's M39.
He's solo.
Oh, I did not expect an M39. I hit him once and then he's.
I hit him with a shell, Dylan.
Yes! He's dead!
Yes!
He's
yes!
dead!
Yes!
He's loaded! He's loaded!
Oh, money,
He's
money.
loaded! Here, come
Dylan,
loot
run,
him!
run,
Loot him,
run,
loot him,
run.
loot him!
There's people coming. I'm gonna bleed out. Wait, dude, the horses.
Oh, I ditched it. I just left.
I'm going. I'll try to get the horses.
Tommy guy.
Got meds?
Yeah.
Med up. Use the meds and everything.
I don't need him.
Yeah, 100 HP.
I have 100.
Do you have like a primal kit you could give me real quick?
Yeah, here. And a
I
DB.
bled out, bro.
Here.
Oh, no way.
I don't have any. Oh, don't know shells for that. I'm gonna get this
okay.
M39 back.
Wait, give Connor
Are
the
there
M39.
people there?
Yeah, there's
Well,
a Tommy guy
dude,
chasing.
okay,
chasing,
well,
chasing,
I can't.
Chasing.
I can't. I have a fucking bow.
Tommy's dead. Tommy's dead.
Loot him. Big money ups. Stand up, Corby. You fucking fat.
Do you need pistol bullets? Here, take. Take those.
He should be the only one.
I'm grabbing the horse. I'm going.
He should be the only one. It should be that.